Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to insert image and move freely in Microsoft Word. Okay, so if you want to insert image in Microsoft Word and you want that image wherever you want, you can fit that image. Okay, so how to do it? So first click anywhere. Okay, and then you have to go to insert and insert a picture. Okay, so I am going to this picture from file, select it from my file. Okay, so I want to enter this picture, okay, for example, and then you will see this is the image. Okay, it has been inserted. Now what you have to do now, when you now you have to just select the image. Okay, then go to layout. So when you go to layout, here you will see wrap text option. Okay, this is the wrap text option. Click on it and click on behind text. Okay, so when you click on behind text, you will see like this. Okay, click on behind text. Okay, then you can move this image wherever you want. So I want to set this image here. Okay, so what you have to do is I am going to just resize this image. Okay, just resize this image, and then so like this you can just set the image and or insert image and move freely in Microsoft Word. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.